Hello students, in this video we are going to see about practical 7. How can we write a journal for this practical? So this practical is data representation, construction of population pyramid. So with the help of data set we are going to construct the population pyramid. So this is how we are going to write it. First we'll write aim, then objective and then introduction. In introduction you'll write what is population pyramid, how to design the population pyramid, and you have to write the three types of population pyramid, that is expansive, constructive and stationary. So this much theory part is required. Then you need to write material required for your practical and the solved example which is already given here. So this is how the solved example is done. This is how the population pyramid is designed. So there will be percentage of female at the right hand side and percentage of a male will be written this side, and in between you have the range of age. On that basis you are going to give the conclusion of population pyramid, whether it is expansive, constructive or stationary. So this is the expansive type of population pyramid, where the base is broad and the apex is narrow. Next we have the data set with the age group 0 to 14, 15 to 24, 25 to 54 as it is. Along with it you need to write the number of females and number of males and present it on the population pyramid as shown in this video. So this is again an expansive type of population pyramid where the base is broad and the apex is narrow, but the working age of population is more. Next we have a population pyramid which is again an expansive population pyramid where the base is broad and the apex is narrow. In the next question again we have an expansive population pyramid where the base is broad and the apex is narrow. So this is how you are going to construct the population pyramid. Next, in this case we have a constructive population pyramid where the base is narrow and the apex is broad, which is opposite to your expansive population pyramid. So this is all about the practical number 7, where you need to draw the population, different population pyramids. So I'll show it again. So this is practical 7. This is how you are going to write it. Each and every question should be solved and you need to give a conclusion on it, whether it is which type of population pyramid and why are you concluding it like that. What are the things which you can see, that points you need to mention, like it is mentioned here, that it is an expansive population pyramid, it has broad base, narrow apex and it has high birth rate and high death rate. So all the exercise, all the practical questions are solved in it. You can go through it. Thank you for watching.